You see, I bought coffee or Rare Once's coffee concentrate. The design is particularly beautiful and it works very well. Using nitrogen freshness locking method, the aroma and taste of coffee are always maintained very well. 1 cup can be made into a large cup of American style, clean and convenient. I take it with me when I go out. He doesn't need to be refrigerated and it won't spill when I put it in my bag. There is a "You're lucky" on it. And then there is a "Your fum" word written backwards, which is a New Year's greeting. Well, it is full of sincerity. You can see the grease of the coffee liquid. Its grease is really rich and fragrant, like the espresso made by an espresso machine. This layer of grease should also make a coffee latte art. Pour the coffee in. Look at this oil. It's extremely fine and rich. It's super delicious and very rich. All right, everyone, that's it. Bye.